papa, why be? Maybe if you ban a kwanwa. Why are there? Trinidad burglar proofing Africa's strongest burglar proof. Second Kings Real Estate, the home for Kings. Call 0244 645784. Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans. Growing together. Feco Spray Starch. Look sharp. Latest Foam. Your partner for life. American Premium Furniture. Where the best quality sells. Amen Scientific Clinic. Allow Shafi God is the healer. Lily Sunflower Oil. Tasty food. Happy family. Tabia Herbal Mixture, your true and authentic herbal medicine. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Vodafone is Sassinia. Heading APOSO bro no pay. Say good morning.
Good morning, Nana. Nana Boga, Nyame Adom.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir, Boga ko.
Bonsoir.
O kwa fa yen ko be hayen me wan fa me ankwan ha me. Be dey plane ticket no. Fa in the mommy, me the out in the show. Pe ba ko pe. Fa in no.
Upper class be.
Business.
Cram Tommy Dennis.
Today moon konta.
The boarding.
Uwie na enya hwe.
Say business na cost road.
Ai. Over the Emirates. Pe Emirates business. Eno no meje edwetire mtim de ya ade. Emirates
class say or form kakra.
Omo ye say omo ye promotion.
Apart from promo no cry form kakra nsa omo MTN promo neighbor.
Okay. Eno de bo modern bu nkonta na fa.
Bisa obi. Omo na on there. Oh.
Enya hwe wona say wonam kwan so. Be ade ba ko pe no akwantu na e ma ne ye mede e ma ne ye manije. Obi besori ahomach.
Obi besori ahomach. I entrust the show into your care.
And I bet they go so sorry ahomach say.
Fact.
Any mama you know.
I saw trend say no you need. Oh another kasapa. For Obi na be hwechiri.
Elda bako ba.
Obi was master's degree in communications from the University of
Fatwa.
From the University of
Fatwa. Ya patana so pata Fatwa.
Scotland. One of master's degree in communication on the major amount.
And on the Otimia wapa o. Obetimi atina Ghana Maritime Authority boss in the 11 conditions. 14 no. 11 about. Una betimi atina ho. Un freeze that. And the picture be circulate. A+ good morning. Papa be o freeze pa. Also papa ni fie. O te papa ni fie say na obeda so no aye.
Emsa for me jamama obi na Obi beto aso. And the official handing over. Tourists ne pepe.
Oh, me dey ceremony we aye nidi nom dey na me mpeo.
My name was a tourist pepe.
Tourists ne pepe. E bro so da pro ba ko ka.
Ma catch say powers amodi ama abuni kenansa no. O ma me 16 days.
Working days.
If you hear me yes Monday to Friday, me yes Saturday.
Working days.
Ma me 16 days.
Working days.
To calculate. 16 never chance yet. I just end because I'm Benjamin. It is 16 days. I mean, you can take over. And we are I think I will move my jet to Joy Prime Bibisu Kakra. I'll put on na be 11 on out TV.
No money die.
That's how I said me. Maybe for 7 months. Na me point. Na Kofi ad bakwache motel which I don't know what to call.
No any choice.
No any choice. It was about 1.5 hours per no about. We have for say uncle. I'm sorry na it may be CTV. Me put TV na that time I can answer the chief finance officer.
Okay.
On Angelo. Me ya mama so pa na the call opposite choba kesi ye way.
Oh heavy duty.
But the opposite one I'm talking about.
Yeah, I've seen it.
The first thing connect near the market na ho. No mama made
did you obedi?
No ma shada no abon ko ma metim na me am tim so mo da da me. E no abon ko mo se wi a Yes, I do be see asempa. Bosumenso. Wa to aso.
Nana ye to aso na se ne be kono Mama Late Afro Shop here Dortmund, Germany. Me dana semensa kana ma de no. Nyankopon sha no wonim de me pepa nso. Me pepa bi no ye ma me. Mama Late, good morning. Nyankopon sha na onka wo ho de bia wo.
Adwaba.
Obuto etire ho.
Adwaba.
Obuto etire tina na ya se aba haja ba be sha adwuma na se na ka enkwanhia esisi enyasa ka apem nyasa ka muni ahwe anasa ka akwakoda ya na ate atofom na mum se ebubo nipa e okrom hayi ho nkomo anu a wo maso no minim se na ye beto aso wo se ye to aso ho nsem no ho hia pa
ompe muja asem we bakasa re kumase na kakese bi tetede na efre no waton chine o se na say sitafo esie nanim that's a number of Fox FM yeah kan na yase yenima ka bia betumi abeto ade na free ho na se Louis for school for yi omoka school for bam ena ma bia na omo nso omu twa kwan ni ti ka na ti free sa no e fra omo ne kumo ahemfo mienu ma enso ka ho within 30 minutes
etimi to na kanumu aye ha fedi to ye
adanta as of enra na kumuni pa 153
90
enwa na nkasa
sabo
195 around 195
ye twende say ye will be odwene na odwene ye ho na wo nipa dwen wo ni tirimu a ka be hu sa why footbridge atwede ye de food ni ho
baby ayaya atwede no so soro de anu ni ho
so problem no say food bridges na yenwie 7 unim de me ya say 7 kilometers stretch so free persec junction edi twema kwa kusi adenta toll booth bi na we akire ho before say 7 kilometer stretch and food bridges na ye be 7 yenwie mu ba kompo
kilometer bi ye ba kom
in the yenwie mu ba kompo and it's a also factors no endorse one yenwie food bridge na number 1 because there are areas in so yenwie food bridges no but nipa na nsan fa food bridge ne so in the no so say hwe no ho so asem na yeka say yenwie food bridge na amanfo no emfa so but in this case yenya nduru ho because food bridges now have not been done but they have to be done
from the Ministry of Roads and Highways. Your sign contractor not off so we
that is the problem. That is the problem.
Yeah.
Project funded by GOG. Yenye da enye ensem free.
Debi. Na unim enura nkwanhie esi ye wo ofanko barrier. Esi woni efri kumase ba no kwam. Enna no paye ahimachi a mebe.
Esi won efri.
Ka kese ye friend say afa container kese pa ne fa na e wo jontai fa no. E won so kese pa se esi cove num. Kofunum kase pass yes e ho no mo anso na wudu wa ka no dade na ye de age kwan ho no ebi atia ba beda kwan ni mutu doje na yesa wo sia ba besimpe no ba beto sa ka kase na ase yes ba bia ni benkum so enra ka sai amman kwanhia si wudim se makoka ene mini hweye ena wo mo anyi from 2 am ebo 4 ena kase we si ye mani pada sani titi free so the other side ahimachi fufuro si wo ye ntwe
Nana Puma ye chairman ma fix food bridges now ewa denta Medina. Sa group no minya mekwa koka ho pa. Sem koye secretary. Fix food bridges now. Edam Puma temenka mache.
As smart medase mache.
Menim se bibia anye fine timi mbusa umpo. Enno anso ye nyane nte se ka san bonipa ewo hobium. Patriot sa
Captain Smart medase matching biom me chair with TFO nyina so ne mo am studio no kre pepe asem ni nyina am se waka ni nyina po awi ase krom hampeni for pe moja ewia accident ni you NSE ba ku si wo Firestone ma me penim asata nyumre no yeti se ono so wa free carbon na ewia no anche en Ridge Junction mantie ni no mti moto so and also any throttle be then bam almost so kaput or me prepare you name almost it as of now but brand assembly man why made you hospital in accident in there every other day ya ka tete me hu ne be ka biom na the way ampenifo no yesisi na akwa to say I said there was no plan into sisi ato am na atase because we become we are no we become we Boniface October the 2 year no sisi why di on kase biom boabe so bae and onra funko no be kan na anti di okan na so bo funko highways a friend is saying the of bridges or also say 2019 just say but problem no me who say what ya a kwan a kwan a nipa debris efa anapa say when 55 traffic e wo kwan so me more and a nipa etwa kwan mu from each side of the road especially from Adenta East Eba West side because obi e kwa adwuma and na open adwuma so a omo mbesi etwa kwan mu so akofi e more say the friend is a city guard for the dignity na honum say we but omo ye adwuma fitana pa by adwuma 6 no ma pa omo kwa na ade esa ka omo suro no medwane because car be come accident in esi ahema na che ene amajo because road no esu yesu very dark enti come hanum car be brikani anye omo mekania ye no so a be na ni so nya papa it vision bad. So, and if you identify barrier, no Saniako SDA, a quite is sunny. Almost sunny sana say traffic light, no where is the Jumano. There is no reason to slow down until we cannot debano. Sir, we don't want anybody to so what would drive one farm move ya or be on anti-car the bono. It is not about pedestrians alone. Drivers classes will come. Then most of the time accident every weekend. Because nipa debris ever seen come mountains eko geomany it is so omu saneba as a race omu di fi oya efa isane eba obi antonebo and then obo so a na di odi wechi no abo na ka na twam yanchi nipa baako apart from yadan for baako keku je ya nipa no obona ojina e omo bo na obi adwane obo ma na okọ obo ma police for na meka nche say ometimi apart from okekudia you mean say and only panic denial oboma anoko and who the speed no they come you won't even find the person too bad some sisi kapo ni wa nyashi nka yegusu ka say ya nanka traffic light say this what that just electrical work the material car boom say traffic light no control board no say there no Chinese obi emi kroma utimi chechirem nje say no omuntimi so and the yanko Chinese embassy ni yanko frɛ obi number king Chinese ne mai ni enye traffic light na at least na so na street light ni pon so keke ni pa akoma be perform ni ehu se bibi koso but we dey say ye kase nyina captain she see a brofun kwa na pedifonica brofun kwa no muka ye hu don person mkire it is kofi enyumba na usuru se wa afaka amobia obi di ka ebebo obi onante it's just too bad and they are not saying anything say tabuafon de breeze say a confusion obia enti see you say and as a dialogue no omo my opportunity my any omo nka se bia maka mo problem kwa che se bia se ni yen wu on your engineers wo ye wo a friend say contractors omo ye street lights no ni ade e kan we can afford to get some of them to help my opportunity no money obia nkasa na ti reduce na brofo kwa na moka ya fed up into on the 12 you see when you will go for a peaceful walk, a very peaceful, just to walk and create awareness. Now, feel ya say, and also beboa. Sampa na feel to you.
Pacho, catch on everybody now say you have my support. One baba Jessica Cotton so am.
Me.
Sikan de odi mamu show kwa yansa be kan se mo show ya ne neti adenta.
Mo fra mo show mame.
Kache mo show say na na.
Mo baji 500 Ghana Cotton so.
Na captain wo madi hu ya pa.
Ade.
ma send you message bebre asem you start here show phone so
na say we send it be na me sha say me ka ho asem yi
o ma send it chair answer wo kan
but na say you take it time na ye ho adwuma wa kire answer
mate a better leader never me say what was
that's
nti mun kan ho asem ma na sisi ade eya ye tuma
da be ye na ye ka ho asem afa ye nka ma cause kum dikness bi wo ho ya ekuni na udim say fiti Madina ediba denta no schools be brave sampwan no ekwara no echum and pay me ko ejuma say nipa echo ko elim just too much we mistake kiti obebo nipa won too bad na we ka bo nipa so we say etofo na am ususu kra brass guy back we obo ya dan fu okeku owuye boy no up to now I timid. Oh.
I told you yes. Why you timid?
Oh, the car kunipa.
Young guy, the car kunipa. Why you timid? Why you dim? Lady ya car born Friday and Nigeria di chaos by area movie. The boyfriend and on in a man come over by worry. But only the casa pon casa no dim. Because no one girl in the nam, the girl need the enemy no dinechi.
Oh.
The girl is sick when the man a car the born. Hey, and to mutiam none of the second one the fan so. No money na speeding into the traffic. It's a boy in ho. Up to now, it's been kasa. Ade, nanka unu anu no anka nkebe yodi. How are you going to feel by now? You can be and before encourage ye. You ni omu na T area ni mo. Omu ni me numbers, omu ni bibia. Omu free for one day enka say oh, mumba na problem na say ni. You be den ye nyina akwa ya trance na ya hwe ho afem. Obi enfi obi a. Profun no muka. Profun yentiasie. The here at least in kaye ka say inka obi say e friend say street lights we boom truck bi gina hopo na obi gina ho awaye ne ho te say oye kane ne po a onye ye po inka ebi hu so obi tie. Sisi na so obi antie. It's unbearable. Yeah, peace work. She said, yeah, do some stop no. Nubia, you then anti boko. Near to Numa Bessiaba, Firestone, near San Antiaco.
Let's see, yeah, footbridge in there, Mobe Faso.
Yeah, Faso saying, I say, footbridge, not one Faso. Say, what was the man? Because you can't hear food because continue any footbridge in Kwang. So we footbridge, you know. Na kania na so a cars need the speed ni be twam nti wo se nipa dwuma ho ye den e wo recalcitrant people ho no ma ono ye ne den a ti se e friend say shiashi mall yi ho ni say ya ye food bridge fe endra mi twam ho anajo na oba lady wa body polish fine o twa na me roll me glass and can you imagine look at what you are doing? Don't you see the speed the food bridge or how many it's nipa dwuma ho no ma o ma so ye den. But at least it will reduce. And apart from that, no, you say if you feel one, no, bit with can't across all. They said, "Oh my, can in la party?" Said the panel is forced to use the footbridge. Now, just make it a friendly, disability friendly. Even faster saying. To say, we don't even know what they are doing anymore. Obia can in Jubia. Maybe 2019 and I'm still these people they want everybody to finish in Adenta before they do something. Because apart from that, you pay every other day say 2019 and some there at Namai. And they say 2019 they do 5,000. But that 190 you can within there 6 months to 8 months yeah. Captain it do every 2 days they are not Bolipa. Every other day. Bolipa 1 2 1 2 1 2 and a trigger is hey Debbie adi ano ya yes mo me hwe wan asem kan yesa eri hunna ye nyina ye busu agu nyina wu and the trigger say no we have to put ourselves together political party be entire chi ye pani be entire chi ya nkasa ye
ye be tie ho achi
ye tie ho achi and ye ade
ba me na wase na yo Nana no pay me das. Miss me das pa. Nana mpoma ye chairman ma fix fraud bridges now. Damti Tobia e wo kwan so damti ma che.
Captain, Major so.
Baby a ujina no hwo ho yi o.
Captain, minimum pa se ubegyina ha no pai na wo hye senia nkwala students nkwala nkitinkiti etwa kwan mu obi ha wedi depending on e wo be 11 na ono kura nkwala be 4 nsa a o mu twa kwan ni mu me ame ba no metwam akọ the other side na enye is also twam our back yes experience is the best teacher. Captain omne kanu di make I say hide and see because 50-50 so to me twam na wadanya me ase to me twa kwan we mu a no rate junction be papa ne kan ya one ne ka so to me twa fa kwan we mu a o ti pim kwa o meti a confusion crazy see am no ka say traffic light nti you police need to say Captain o to me twa kwan we mu a afiato o share even island no also o chema o be jina middle kakra 5 lanes each o jina na o chema 5 lanes nti ni jina na 10 so the outer lane 5 lanes each nti o jina na o chema no ko jina be the island no so ewefu nti so o jina ho a car bi kwa so e the other side na banner so o jina wa onipa na o jina no o hu say we are the o jina me by an observation ma be me be do around 6 something observation am I mako up and down no island na wo me do na kwan fu nti akotop nti se ujina wa sha ka bi chema hu na so wanye lucky na so che obebon and do asema papa yo ke mi dira me ni mabatasi station me drivers ni bo ha and do asem ni sinu kwa no mo fe ba na me ni around no ba me ni omo eni nkomo papa yi me wa kwa ba Adom FM so me ni am da se ye fro sen me din di sumwa we ye juma ha ti me aha o si interview papa ne kwa eye no and do ano asere bi ebiom si ebiem si ewo SD ho a ye chese wuba ebo moto atwanto ho na ne sese moto rider no condition no wom no na anodin na kwa no ho asem de se na ne nua pani ni ka no ade a chese ye dwen ho a ye ntiase ne ye sem pani fo se ne se ti wo ba bi mpo na so omo de omo mfo a omo de omo meye de ma ye nhwese ye mfo na because ye kwa no mu twa ya ade a odwen ho a won ntiase efise wutumi twa mu afiri kwa no mu ko the other side there let us say yankopon na di ho afofi nti omo de omo meye food bridge ni ma ye nhwese ye be fa so ana se ye mfa so a okay captain I mean drivers ni bi endi enkomo enka ho open me makwa wa Adom FM se fa o se e premier wo su sechere yes Monday the aye there yes the penifo ni man demonstration o fa so me fa so because that food bridge that ye ka ho asem Wednesday no ehonum school bi wo ho no nti se nkola no betwa mu nkola no de oye food bridge ni mo mo a nkola no be pro se mpanimfo okra na mfro kra nkola na school fo de on be pro nti ayi apemfo ni nkokra ni wo mo ye yi ni de wo mo de on be pro ade no nti wo mo de no meye say yi no e maye na be bo aye pa okay but that's offer also demonstration support me support 100%. Na ade ba kwa esan ha ye kese ni say island na e wo kwan finfin in between the bus lane and the main lane no efu enti we driver ni kura na wo fi bus lane na obo so main road main lane so a unhu se kai ba na se kai ma e na we ni pa no so twa kwan no so a unhu na efi right side and unhu na efi left side. Enti apart from traffic light no bob na e wo traffic light no magasa no esinsen o bebra why na esinsen o and region there no over here say ah ni nyina so esisu at the same time yellow green and red nyina so esisu enti hu say time this time ni e say utwema na say time na so ugina ni nyina so esisu wow enti the traffic light so mu use bi ma o me yi fi o mu na o ma ni fa be gina on under traffic no prego because light in there if so be any to be okay cousin big cat also because ujira ha o say enyezi ka utumi chakwa enwe ma adanya mi ase me de abaya bi amenya no me ni interview o pa chese me busa na mse ada na woni ankwala we choko say o mu choma o mu so na mse ada ntia o say because car abo ni pen voice no ka masani a mo be me njidi se mo bebo o say car abo ni pen me ni di nkomo o say o taxi driver bi na e born no choma everyday bia o so the fear or form 2 or school or one of the government schools across the street or form 2 in Quantana now say since class 6 not so chopping or form 2 captain just do the calculation in fact I know paper there Oh, that's Bufaba. I papa. Beshe, and conform to I do know. That's almost so crap. Almost slow. Captain.
Mammy now I say, damn Titobia. Yumbo voice not the buy no boy.
I don't say I was true. Because say a truck and yes, so says a car be boy. Car be bomb. What to say car will be a consider? Class into what's that? What's that? Okay, what's the first name?
Say a friend Prince.
First Prince. What's school?
Chanko school.
It's every day, I'm more surprised. It's more because I am more for the same. It's quite dangerous. I don't say dangerous. Like how are we in traffic lights? A control car. It's in a say, oh, no one careful. Can't be beat me abo. Can't be beat me abo. What is a cabo? I know who is a cabo did that. Achai. Who is saying? That's the same. No sure. Now guy no. What's now rain so? What's now over rain so no mo dia fa on it. O sinina. O twem na carnival.
And you know the air cost war adentano no. Na we Ghana sem say a kwan keke footbridge nti ekum Ghana for. Ya adenta for ne ekum Ghana for. Cause ebia bobi from Ashanti region, from northern region, from Upper East, we check backgrounds of nipa ka ne kum wo no. Na sabi ebi kro mu mfia denta. Ani ye ho sa. Erade nyankopo. Mame nko amanso na me ne Mr. JB ono eja ne ba ka kunu yayaya e wo kwan so JB mpacho etesei
Pacho ye
den na semisi da be yo boy nkomo ka kire
yo Pacho madam azuse mama kwenje se ni o man kasa o man Adom fun kasa if you be anything 2016 ba bia oko classes vacation classes no be fee to see someone on the linear very my way benu o see from across pana to see woman or cross kana obi be car fan nche and obo no 28 April 2016 nanu we adwuma mu kra no wo frɛ me de me fi adwuma mu fitema na me kwai na ko Lagos hospital one was wound to me what transfer the call 37 na amwa na adechin 29 who film
Pacho no won fie saying
Pacho no wedi in fie utwi
na 8 years no kwa na eco school
the only ni nia
then
2 berema bako
ni nia berema no won fie saying
no sata no 10 years is when you 12 years
and now 10 ni 8 na wo mo co school
I'm go vacation classes.
Oh, okay. But that ankasa car ne born no de wen free ma de chen ye no.
Ade chen no o film.
Na car ben ya. Se mu hu ya.
Toyota Corolla.
Okay.
Private car.
Yo, mu hu driver no. Oba ho.
Toyota. Am ni hu no yeri na de ko hospital. You see class no e wo court there be ai. O Madina New Road court no.
And I bay mfie miru ni.
Pacho.
And insurance no be sin there yetua.
Insurance ni de me nkwati na court case na there be a court ni yeko. Na wotu she that is. This report fee and through general department abansa. Asana. We go to me buya case ni.
Yo. Man now I say Kafra why?
Pacho yo madam.
That's it. Opani JB no. Obi yanko.
Captain, Osha the ACC na and me visit my share interview, material interviews, now share pictures be a correspondence ni be at the air through. Now Osha said the nipa across the roads no in groups on the nipa across the road no
at a time.
It's at a time. It's terrible. If they are not sure yourself for or maybe say you footbridge now they would use it. Because other areas are footbridges ewo hono. Timemufo ni bebre na enyusu. And no, you are saying what say you can't want them. But in a normal case, the footbridges have not been done. In the focus, this is here and say, yeah, footbridges. No, and no, you're number one. Number two, so and say, for Omambia one stretch, a 7-kilometer stretch, nipa over 190 ebewu in a year, no. The reaction should not be like this. When I say a normal,
I say a funny normal. Now we what can she overhead? Yeah, Becca say. Nipa elfa so when we young can't create me and so is the most busiest overhead.
Yes. Just go in with a butchery live on radio. GH Motion.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
25.
5.2. Yanena Chairman, no, yeah, fix the footbridges now. Omo peaceful match number, say I'm finding a footbridge. So that area now.
I mean, every day. What if I go?
And you miss me.
Say,
for the peaceful match.
Chairman. For 5.2 no more, so move on to and more by peaceful.
No, to mean Tonsu no, Nine Kayepre.
Some organizers.
When I see me from
and
one in your friend.
But quite also with you.
And to maintain this kind of amount.
But yet, some we can be. Because, Captain, we are saying, Mintias. Some now road for a corner. So we are about road to say transport ministry for I road minister. I was in 2019, I was too much. By 2019, I was a kind of sono. Yet to be trained for 2019. Yet to be trained, say 2019, no more we have footbridge. For what? What does it take to construct a footbridge?
Let me contract and swag in Sikako.
None of them are from home.
Yeah, the patches and was can't see.
Ghana by no Mintias. Obi Mintias. Last week, Friday, the NEC, we're keeping Wamako on the same. The boyfriend.
I'm somewhere where I cry.
She said, Missy Nano, Udu Adenta Barrier, Moto, a Bobby, Emma, the 90 year, ever toward the other side of the road.
Yes.
Master, Asana Yakana, road ministry, Nick, I said, then 2019. What are they talking about?
What are they saying, man?
2019? Me say, this week, Niperu. Last week, Niperu. Me say, every week, Niperu was a kind of so. And because Nyansa Sam 2023 was it 2019? Nyansa Sam?
That's bad.
Me say, Tika Bona Bushwani was one, but I just 2019. Ka Bona Bushwani, Baku was one, what year back? Captain, no. Me say, you even the footbridges and Kwabia are situated in a problem because Zongo dance one of your main ayina
Ebin Siho.
You can go there, move cameras and call them you I don't TV so now be out.
Okay, I think
I have a moment to show.
Yeah.
Oh, organizers, every day be a
we no no 1 kilometer each be a footbridge. Those are seven footbridges on a 7-kilometer stretch. And that's the idea. But Captain say yeah broaden a yina me who 3 neoma ewa. Number 1 a year. Why
Mame kwa Mansumra Damene Mubarak Yakubu onoso ewo Las Palmas ewo La Paz. Mubarak morning.
Morning nana.
Boy enko mo me enko.
I hope you say you be classy ko adwuma ana you be classy ko ba bia bana akwanhia entity e beto nkofo e wo kwan ye kwantim police a you betima access kakaka bi aja ye bridge foot bridge kake na ya simply na be premu e wo La Paz ana I reho pa sa be won nkofo address pa sa mu ko adwuma na mba be duru e Las Palmas ani mo sa mba cross kwan na afi akwakoye dadwe ama mo isa ne se wunim ne o cross kwan na e beto na be premu e wo La Paz ana reho ye pa let you say uba be cross La Palmas traffic light now hono e so red and go ejina se na e so red e mutam na umba be twoma traffic light nso so free
ọmọ fún da kuma ana sɛ kaswa ne pɛtɛ mu ayɛ ba ne sa ɔmo bɛ kɔ so a sakas na ifiri ɛyɛ da kuma ne pɛtɛ ɔmo ba ɔmo mo so ɔmo twam ɛba la so mɛsɛ ni mo ɛno ti sa traffic light na ɛno so ɛwɔ saa area house ɛno so green nde ko ba ne sa na ɔmo amu gyina traffic light na sa so red ɔmo ntimi ɛnkɔ kwa ne sa ne sɛ baako no so green nti we so red ɛsɛ nkɔfo twam no na we so green ko ba ne sa so a ɔmo ntimi twam gyina ha na baako na te baako be twam na nkɔfo bi gyina pavement ne so mfimfini hɔ a am pesa mu kɔse kwano abete ba ku betwa mu mu gyina hɔ saa na ndura ka twifa obi so no so ahu na je sɛ ahaya ɛya ehu pa la formas ɛya ehu me twembe ga ne sɛ ka benen be ga na o ma me woni ye pa mantimi ɛne na anka na mom o ma mo twa kwan no bi ɛwɔ ha yɛ ne am betwe nkomo na mo bɔ ntwe mesa ne sɛ ebi so wɔ ha mo so mo tonton ne ma o me ka ma ko sɛm atrɛ ɛja ma kwa baba Adom FM so
yeah.
Muna muwaha utakwa maya etemusen waha.
Oh, ene hu papa if you say atam se ko ene muso. Traffic light no se so che ansa na ye twabunti. Ansa na hade ne be so no bu a ohwe bukum na haso de na so. Do go twama ohwe na ka abo no. Empukura no eno nkoda mpo. Light traffic light ntimu duma. Nti hu police ni bia on be za ko ma da traffic light no. Titima accident last week here car bobo kwemu a ehu pan tesra ban sen obaya foot bridge na ho asoma se nu ho amaye na ma sa consider ne ewu ni nyina atwa amaye
ne te se ya re ho ye pa eja ya makwa ba Adom FM so ba wo ade na wo sisi bila win think ka se na me woni na mu utaka kwa mbuta kwa maya to se enya kura ehu pa yes ban say o me food bridge in my why say na ehu ka accident wow the captain ya kan la pass aya ne aya refo say uba bi hu say nkofo e be twakwa mu na akwakwa ya re o ma me mu twakwa mu ha mu twakwa ma ya etimo say esanse bridge ni a mu twakwa ma timo say
e twakwa ma nyame ani ma nya kura ntia dia ma e bridge dia e tete empa e ma zentu titi e say the car is already na ni pani twemu no officer car na ja ka ni njabo na pa na agbo no ntenye enye kura enye nta ne nya ma overhead so ma you overhead ba mai enye na tam utatwakwa mu a utwakwa mu aya to say
e kwan ne me twama ya na misiro mom de esen say na no ya akulakituwa di o yenim ade ne ko overhead wo no ma enka obeko overhead no so ka abona to akin ya na ve moto no so u chama moto ni na mpisi unhu de be na moto abo na no kwa me ka say ya na no ya be na sanene ka nyame kwa ka moto bo me nti overhead ni de so mo yema ye ne a ye de be che ho esen say de o ma ye ni kwa de ehu kwa sin say overhead mpo sin say de dada na wo honda nti mpa mo so ye nyo overhead mo mo overhead ma ye o mo ye ya ma ya ko be so mo ye nti sra ban so me boy e was overhead that just captain this I mean we can say kofu egu kwan no so far on ba sa mo cross kwan na akwakwa da dwe say traffic bakwaso and bakwaso red and bakwaso so ato green but come here say omuntimi entamu ohun and akwakwa da dwe eja makwa baba Adom FM so na this I cross kwan na aya eto say so cross la pass kwan na
ye brepa enye kwa bi enjo say o me yi hwe na o me ye we ni mai yes sir ukro so kwan na sometimes car no kra e ma kwan moto so ka ho ni bo ma for has enye kra
captain ya refo pa nti betre na amonto mo ni hela pa ndan se nkrofo risky e wa ba nkrofo brepa captain nti e betre penifo se amonto mo ni hwe la pa se be ya asumdue be ba ha na nkrofo enhwira mo kana ya refo se nkrofo cars bo nkrofo captain
Yakobo Yakobo chaso baba Kwasi poku atema o assemblyman o se odun so betua 220 Ghana cedis asoso
for demonstration almost a peaceful march
a peaceful demonstration we are the peaceful march and company for a peaceful demonstration
no but captain him idea back one astima mufo na we say e boy nyina ye ho aba so for every country a change abano when the people realize say you drew level we have to rise up and fight for something. Inti the fix the footbridge now team no ayeno commendable was say about Abaso and across the country say yenya citizens air rises peacefully to fight for a cause.
Edin Bomodiana my Sanka 100 Ghana no Nipewu enye nya ehu
Edin
adepa
mama menyeje
Davi
in all this no I was see a share root cause and so when him say the road is supposed to have been completed my contract I mean himself footbridges need na eka contract no eho enti how come say footbridges nye and so you hand over contract to the government of Ghana. Who won the contract? Why would the supervisor say why were the footbridges not fixed? And your question as I answer our question now. You better try and try because yes, GOG funded project be an it's terrible. And the over continue say contract some they be the money is finished, but road in project no. Why?
Ye can roady. It's a time of wash I say circulate here, DB.
Okay, sister Joyce, so say obey your donation. Sister Joyce, 1 for 6 and answers.
I won't send them.
First cow person, don't want to be trend the infants.
Nane, why 1 year you should tell my motorway say, can we boycott payment of tolls on the motorway until the manholes, not potholes, are fixed? Also, you should range over and a tie back 1,500 and pothole to muno manhole to muno send metal strips into 2 back ties nina papa and kono okra betimi afa ho
yes am pen for no bedrin.
I think when the people rise up peacefully demand adia because Captain say me share on Maya and so we broaden the kakrempo road accident from January to June first half of the year 2018 statistics no total accident cases reported now 6,745 in 6 months.
That is reported.
Persons injured or more a prior in all those reported accidents, no, 6,698 or more a in those 6 months, no. 1,212 in a country and nipa say a through road accidents, no. Just say you are not doing something right. Just simple. 1,212 lives lost through road accidents in 6 months. It's terrible. It's just terrible.
I can tell you, sorry, let me cancel your sister number and I say you were. And yeah, do not be no the shasu mami and a janaya canafe saka. I was for a dumra. Bibi high a man say, dear. A peaceful. Peaceful. Sir, I see a tie.
Menim say ye can 1 year war Kaswa Kwano so. Teach you any McCarthy Junction. Almost so be. Car boni power on my me cotton McCarthy. The amity and this junction so me years and say, how come winnie permanent sorry? Yeah. Yes, obedi them. Come winnie permanent sorry. Or baba coupe and a carbon on moi. Or Timmy sorry or no cranny spleen. A pie, a goony and me a coin operation in his spleen.
Can you imagine?
McCarthy Junction. Ain't misre enye ehono nko a. Mo ye acquainting ponso overhead na. Mo hwesa mo di mani so be kire kaso akwan so. Enye hono nko a wonam kwan so kwa a utimi se baabi hono mo a cars ni pedi ano. It's so terrible.
Yeah, best threat me before say ye kasa na ewie foot bridges na. Ye nyusu.
Yeah, the next use the foot bridges.
One fast na can board.
Can no board when you wabusuafo besie o.
Indiscipline so on our roads near too much. Drivers, pedestrians, traffic light are so green. Na manfo etwam drivers ni bi so ohun eno ni made ba ko he me wanwan wo Ghana ha ne say zebra crossing. It's as if that driver no you favor. But any paninya be zebra crossing pe incumbent to you the driver to stop by force.
Now me say
why do we do zebra crossing in this country?
Driver no njina.
And I'm like
the obejina so no hwe nani mo asa oyo papentia.
A friend COP Adupo Kokore retirement. Fantastic police officer. Ena driver be the car free. Baby, come on, so 1 year interchange in papa no. Yeah. The boy kwa no so. Minim tete
mikrom kwanse na
Kumasi for nye demonstration ye be ko ye be nunu ye be demonstration
ebu akwa de na okay
ebu akwa no so ena we hu de ye na ka ne gene nsam no de bo fom asma make obi afredu poko be ka che no bi say traffic light no red na che so say cross at once we say traffic light say e so red HSA or say cross at
and full speed or driver's license.
On my edge if you need them.
Absolutely. And that is the problem. They in this
traffic lights red HSA
cross at once.
Cross at once.
Can you imagine? Wako driving license through the process.
And go for the TV license and
the TV license will go more.
Problem no.
Watoka when your car and watch ye. When him say obi a day abobo ya wafa niema enam highway. Achimota highway so. Me ben na me yen sign say uncle outer because I can't no cranka enfa highway no so. Na me chen say o the uncle outer. Oh to ne sa kire me.
Problem no
na me go ye go gina traffic light as na me chen na ne buy. Na me say adan na o de car we fa ha. Na o sign fa inner lane. O ka chem say dey ya chiro ba bi say e ho speed lane na.
And no problem. It is beyond fixing bridges. You have general problem with transportation in Ghana. How are you managing the transport sector in Ghana?
I release 355 million Ghana cedis for road signs. Can away. Cause I never want to say, baby, you drone and tree. AC, who said drive any or say
choba. Another abattoir.
Abattoir. When did you come here?
Why the traffic light is working?
Under urban roads, the ministry, of course. I mean,
Obi, you privatize the private lights,
traffic lights. No, I think so. And only street lighting. Street lighting.
You privatize it. You jam Obi.
Yeah. Well, you man no. Oh yeah. Now the way who claims abaji
usika
with strict monitoring from Impenny for.
Who drive a car traffic light? Yeah. It means so red. That's also green. I have one of them. And they be I say police in Genasi. Yes, police for so.
Circle. So we free can share bana bedu first traffic lights na. Oko benkum so ana, oko nifa so ana ko VIP no. I saw red, I saw yellow, I saw green. Ni nyina so gringo. Ni nyina so me ensa ni nyina so. Entu du age so Yusuf ye nyansa. PNT animu ye traffic kwan na construction na ye de ensa kan ye no. Ye nye bio enti won susu du a Yusuf ye nyansa. Fie nyansa nimpe ubetwi. San se trotro for no susu ye regulate omo na mom ye ju omuska. De onu no na wose o hye se trotro ni be gina ye no. O hye fuel station ho. Enti ohu se wagina kwan mu na oba ba ju uska. Enti omu susu no nim se wan Ghana na enti ofa nipa for na age no wan Ghana kro anya fa so enti omo no timi gia na ka inner lane trotro timi to free outer lane no aba be she very inner lane ho traffic light ni nya aju it will be a drop
in Captain America say the problem is bigger than fixing footbridges. Yes, sir, for a stretch and over 190 no, we have to fix those footbridges. I know they're non-negotiable. But we are the general transportation sector in our country. We need to look at it again from license and DVLA or more car roadworthy or more drivers and casa discipline. Because Captain, I mean, statistics no okay. First, near him say commercial vehicles. Okay, and also here.
Scan here, pa. Krabia Asante. Also between 500.
Wow.
We are me
sending a number before mobile money.
We are more distreba. Ko bi a obobo ni di wa radio we so.
Phone mobile money.
Aye.
Check who balance e was so na you dey come.
Na say me free he ya me dey betimi abeka ho. Jimi di say no kwafo a metimi. Metimi ni musika. Ah na say enne ya metimi anya sika ni bi o me phone no so.
Esija for man sika na fa mani so dey Chelsea.
Me nka ho.
Enough man. But your number
0244 642 890.
Okay, my type of man 0244
642 890. Against me where you say mejeja koto pragia.
0244 mo be send mobile money no. Na yemfa nkoma adenta for no. Umfa tonso 0244
Oh yankasa mo free
642 890. But onye sijeni the friend message. Remember my Ohio who ye.
Remember how you hungry. Obi send it. Kwasipo send this number. Kwasipo.
Oh, nyamisha no. Wini yancho mu send ba na ya body no. Uze LPM board obi be kasa me de beba nso no boy. Utu de ntwen.
So no so won send this and say. Send the people as won send this say. They send 5,000. Okay, where do you say Solomba Giscano? My family mobile money number, the man, I'm mobile. Say trouble you
0244 642 890.
Okay. Also the number graphing and this is
shine kwana send me a diama makume ya me please. I've sent 500 Ghana cedis. Wo shine.
I send the message and I say
send the message. Scanner hit here was send the message was na pesa me bisa and say wo shine wo. Shine akwa wo 500. Men can she ya gringo so free. When you na make true color do you ma me no me boy. Ya gringo who dia ba why scanning here e na dia ba ya gringo.
O se ande.
Mini what number no afre bi.
Pacho mo bia friend number no. Yes wo
bibia na o dia to. Yeah.
They for more peace. The reason is here the kwakobua peaceful demonstration Adenta for a year. Na omanya bi atonsuo ne
hi dear, love you. I say no kai.
Pacho say titi han ye humu ye. Remember they were having your hoodie, papa. Mr. Kiwa Daurumenti, he just papa. And Tijano, Messenepe.
Almost as
engaged.
Messenepe. Why? When you see mobile money,
yes, I'm a hon now, cram a honyo.
Minister of Highways.
Mamekwa Manusona Faye, Honorable Minister of Roads and Highways, Honorable Makwata and Traso. Honorable, good morning. Okay, I'm saying Honorable, what's the coming watching?
Captain.
Yes, uncle.
Now, what to say?
I mean, I do my friends. I'm a Frebiana.
Radio soon. Who me? Who friend me? Uncle. So, oh, papa, me. Captain, near my you. Now, one here. Enumera wo ni baba ho na enema ye later ma wo captain.
Oh, for my boss.
One kiri enyo.
My office will be sana fene ka say na no kone wo fa hododo eye wo de ye adwuma no.
Na de entie enipa no nti obeto o fa akini. Me nto me wo fa se enkini da. Nti wo so nto o fa enkini.
Me coffee I catch you nearby, Auntie Meba.
Blood is thicker than water.
What's over? That's it. Adenta Quine, no. Adenta Quine Food Bridges, no. Over 2019, a Quan Wadodo. Munyan December, yeah, my.
Now, a yummy moon crash says, Nidigan Captain Michao ne Uniano, me offer for a whole studio home na Michao na Michia Ghana 4. And soon, me that's a parcel 1 mile over, sir. Acquainting. Captain.
Yes, uncle.
Yes, sir. A Juma Sia. A Juma year bayan, a big go into 2019. 2019, Captain Unyamima Yankwane and Hodian. It's less than 2 months away. No. From 1st January, senior 2019, Bridges said, Captain, senior eta abain akumaso. Ye pese ye. Mitaso papa so mama misa akwenye yi kakra. Na uhwe senior yenkofo eko edwamu hwe young lady ya efiada ka eko bonu wosu. Yawe husem me as papa na ebia fanise senka foot bridges na ewo ho a enanka ebia o yusu ya ofa so a ebia nka onyame adom anka bibi say emma atorenchim say esia ya rehosem papa rehosem apart from official any public worker here no your personal private niema eno so hia bibi say sipe ya o kan wasem kwa na areho because ade no enye say wi a wo ye ho hwi a enye yie nti wo kan ho asem kwa na ayareho aseye wi untumi encorrect no ba bibi say si na sebi o ya papa se me ye papa ya na areho sem ye wo food bridges na food bridges issues ye be address no separately in this country. You know, the people say you building no, and then it here over N1 Wakabush stretch here. You were foot bridges 6 hours. You sign identify 3 areas here. You full set a sign a be account. Some of your constructor N1 road now engineer for agreement now for 6 foot bridges was no enough but you shall say you use me I didn't hear there are 3 places you identify you have the constructed near account La Paz Johnson you be see back Awoshi Johnson ye besi another one and so Oba Adenta stretcher ye were 6 foot bridges the main body of the foot bridges you know you see now those foot bridges you know and in the construction captain was checkered history yedima contractor that contractor chrono and now all year kwafu chrome apiga dualization echo kumasi no was a president for time 2008 and now ye shall say ye best construct Accra Kumasi near dual carriage company no your friend no China Water Electric Corporation and now ye demand now on one sooner a year sir Adenta stretch no captain the patrol me a year one sooner na a year Adenta stretch no sir road no the project name no Tetakwashi Manfi Road. You dividing into 4. Now, Kwabenya Adentan stretch to Pantan. China Water Electric Corporation and the MR from 2009. The entire company look up. And she do baby no. The left side, they demobilized and left side. All the essential personnel, technical people, and we are human uncle back. Ye unyameya Adom ye back power back. Ye assessment of all roads any projects are abandoned in Ghana. Captain, let's stop papa. May walk take credit to say may call Azim. I could do maybe Azim town rules. I am cutting salt this morning. It means I'm going to call Azim. Maybe do metro captain. By Friday or any time be a very convenient amount. Now, offer Mami Akwenya Wadaruma.
Matofa.
Now, Mimra Studio. Not so baby, my offer Akwenya. Now, yen tackle Rose person may spend 5 hours in your studio. Now you're tackling roles since 2017. Ghana for the Ghana President Akufo-Addo, sir.
Okay, so what? Adenta. It's no. Moshasi. Obashasi and Eko 2019 no way.
No, na any worker. Okay. Adenta food bridges. It's time say na you person the same contractor now or Shasi no. Ebe we say na the contract no yen twam but because na yen tia the cano. It's in our abandoned site. 3 months ago, 3.5 months ago, cabinet, I made a presentation on it. Say, a crucial because since bridges, you know, a new marker and also the main body of the bridges, you know, I can't say, build the staircases, you know, and they are there, I can't. But company should come back. Now one emery, but as you try one now one back.
Yo, now
I'm the president in cabinet and president authorized the finance minister. He was the president of the company of Bagana. Many 1 year meeting in my conference room, and I want to see 50% one beba. Now a car you do one both the CD and dollar component. Now, CD component near 80 million Ghana cedis. The dollar component, you know, 45 million United States dollars.
Over what cut a sword in Tino? Mamimisa 2 quick questions now. What's me a quack?
Mamimfa assembly is say,
okay.
Yeah, and say $30 million equivalent. The President of the Republic, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, at cabinet or directly the finance minister, said, on Tuesday, now contractors to me and say remobilize the Emerald site. Now on met to Kwafu Chrome Apiga road. Now you to me the interchange now a was now on and continue with the food bridges. That amount was paid. And Captain, as I talk to you now, the contractors, they have remobilized. Onga Ghana, Onga started work about 3 weeks ago. And the only a year disappointing Emma year also sending a humanitarian on person won't concentrate on the bigger picture. Kwano. Now a food bridge near Akano, one bed relinquish. Now young given given out. To say ya many will say you need 3 key contractors in our country. Yet negotiations. You be by Monday, Tuesday. Then quickly PPA is waiting. They compare authorization. Now ya awardo amawo because of the urgency of it. Ya awardo as quickly as possible. And a juma on the 6 foot bridges, ever started between now and next month.
Okay. Well, for quick,
a year 6, but year 10 we are giving it to 3 contractors. We'll be able for 2, and I'm going to impress upon them. So within the next maximum about 3 months, we'll be able to need Sikabia, as I did touch the people, be a better actually. Oh, now you say, young crop was a song. As a foot bridge is no cry, not so well, you should now track more accidentally. A bit to me about as unfortunate as it might be. Yes, it's foot bridges, Bucra or Accra. Foot bridges no and Kofo Enus, and we are a different thing. Education, say, yeah, foot bridges are and Kofo. The Adani market is a different thing. It's said Ghana for me, Ghana for Papa. So, tackle food bridges issue. Adenta ho senior Ecoso car a body part near there. Let's say within the next 2-3 months, you know, Ubia and Kenny.
Honorable, 300. May I say two quick questions? 355 million Ghana cedis. President can say, "You find your road science near there no mumfa be patch kwemu." Sikano finance ministry na release, and amunyan release.
Oh, and the president, yes, Captain, Niawo can hear no information, no correct. But now, if you road fund in our EBA. And yediye ejuma papa say it's an ongoing thing. You were man to be cry as I say release ma yen nearby me obey about road safety, and next week some payment be a better man on also part also only ejuma pa 1 year ska into maintenance is going on throughout the country. Until president directive, the year Ejuma. So that can be road fund.
But your road fund na edikosi awano.
Oh, the thing Adom yasan akoji abafie.
And
so exam say captain for me studio na yen tackle ni na ekosi awa Adom from April this year. Road Fund Board Adom only a Juma Papa, and that is dynamic chairmanship.
Okay, see, Road Fund I want your trust getting na
Abba no yeah, refinancing, we did refinancing.
Okay.
And the refinancing, Fidelity Bank, Ghana Commercial Bank, now one year jointly. The interest rate are now because you are interest on the amount 32%. 2 banks every financing interest rate now about 21% from 32 to 21. That should tell Ghanaians something if there is a good government in place.
But your motorway,
two banks, am 12 months moratorium. And every month they are from the road fund, the financing road maintenance. And then now we can once a month. The president directive me again it me
of a motorway. I say do.
Yes.
More young.
Yes. Say 5-6 months. Emergency maintenance work be home. You say Ghana Highway Authority won't assign a major survey be you say potholes be abaso. If next week patching na but motorway from next year turning into a 6-lane highway. 3 here, 3 here. A best start. Enumera you better say you be you change the face of motorway na completely. Street lighting na account. And now street lights are what's the same. You can say you boka and then between now and December, next year, new contractor no start here. So you be major work, you be changing the entire motorway no. I 6-lane at the joining the ongoing 3-tier interchange now a roundabout. Now we are even remodeling the Tetekwashi interchange. So they be able to me take the 6 lanes, the current traffic congestion now because of the mall. By the new design, it will be a thing of the past.
Yo, Maminja ona kokate sword no. Me point me friend.
So okay. Captain, me bedu onyame Adom no odini bedun kan ya me frɛ. Na me frɛ. Say anytime next week. Mr. Wadaruma, my offer, Aquena, Namino, chance, na yeni road home como, na yemfa educated Ghana for. Me banu young lady now, unfortunately, car no a born or last Friday. Yet he wants him that a mayor cabinet retreat or century. Mema Abusia na shedi anyone at rent them at all a constant Mobia shedi ya bon Nakopon Empire say to renting bia in Sibio na nkakrakra necessary ye bia ye be Nikshaga na phone now.
Amako papa mate. Me po amefrɛ.
Yo.
Idi anka say amako papa. So, Joy.
Am I enough to chew on, Captain?
Yes, are you married?
Are you married? And no can married can me a marriage. Mr. Mo 1 year free 2 nya message keke emwa wo nsem na sa wodi bibe ma na de ama na mo minister no kasa no so so amu bisa mo question wo so no nya minister number ni o Mr. Mo nya minister number ni mo amu asam ka kira ban na ya na ne ya homra na nsa ne ye be kono Mr. Mo minchia me nana no mienu bi nana ye bo a asuama one ne yonko nana sechi miss nyankopon ehia omo omo ye nipa pa ma me se obi ye nipa ene omo nyankopon ehia omo pa din no na bia na ma nya ni nyina san se captain no no my omo phone na bosuti na ma nya din no nana sechi be grow twafo hene ene nana ye bo asuama kwatwuma traditional area ne obi na beye
person.
Oh, okay.
Emja, say na beye obi be start search na, but say na beye obetimi say e kwaro nti. Obi.
Also on you so. That's what I say. Also on you so.
Obi pacho beye allergy news afisini.
Okay, ma.
Odiawo.
Na captain be person.
Odiawo. Obi waje adie.
Enti yenya Alhaji Inu Safusaini ono your former minister for roads and highways ewa homane so yenhwe ne ne no enin common into me and twaso. Honorable good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well. Now onso apom to say bibi aboko there.
Bibi aboko.
Fantastic. Enti ye share Presec Junction Udi Chemo Madina Aqua Denta Highway no any foot bridges are a waso yen to me any foot bridges no so far at the last count now over 190 people in a car unlocking on that stretch. What happened? Meaning some contract ni ye eti yen se free home na adentina foot bridges ni yen to me anye.
Oh, first of all, we contract no. Contract no say what can say free foot bridges no and yen complete here. Foot bridges no are part of the contract. And the contract no yen we I did there who say Roads Minister of Roads and Highways a year and say we a partial handing over of the road because contract no and yen we neighbor and say when say a coin design a coin in 2006 or thereabouts. Until a coin design here, it had footbridges and it dualized the road. Any guardrails, traffic lights, pedestrian walkways, slip routes, and all those there. A coin is so. Omo design a kwenu we no na ye need dedicated funding for the road. Inti omo di kwenu to Ghana government budget to GOG funding, government of Ghana funding. Inti government of Ghana funding no so chira say as and when yenya sika and money, the budget of the Minister of Roads and Highways is approved. Some money will be made available to the contractor. The Ghana contracts also yet in arrears and not in advance. So contractor na yejuma a year over prepare certificate na valuers and engineers bako kwena so to ascertain and certify the adjuma de oye no ampa waye na no buone and then they will pay. Omotu na car no asan kobio eye juma. So in 2014 we call Ministry of Roads and Highways in July specifically. We call Hono. We realized that Tambia the Iwatua contractor no sika or the sika no ba ye in your man kitting or road no so. Now progress of work then cost ye. Inti many Ghana Highway Authority it's not here. And then I asked them what could be done. They said they will engage the IJ contractor, which is China Water. When we engage the contractor, they came up with a plan. Say, okay, anytime you have a contractor, we should compel the contractor to complete the road. That time, road completed. Road markers in the hall. That time, guardrails, year. Street lights, fixing. That traffic lights and Nico so we decided that road infrastructure. Now while they are doing the road, no road infrastructure. We provide a pelican crossing so that people will be able to cross at safe distances. Now, then any monies that now come to the contractor will be devoted to the completion of the bridges, so that you can track the performance of the contractor. And the Ukrainian, no, that's so a year street lighting infrastructure. No, now your co-election. Now NDC and Lucy election. No, but with themselves, we traffic lights, no. We got race, no. We road line market. And so, why, from the time we left office, monies have not been dedicated to completing the bridges there. It's a Minister of Roads and Highways.
Okay, and from the okay, not just say my picky bear two things. One, na road nankasa need dedicated funding. Yeah, the two GOG contracts. Yes. So and momo take it over. And I was say moma funding available for the road, and you did that. Emma contractor ya edru baby obey footbridges no, and a mulusu abano. That's in some the wakenya the eternal.
Yes.
And the new government should have made monies available. Now, food bridges.
Of the campaign, okay. In fact, it contributed to NDC losing the 2 seats in Medina and Adada. Because at that time, there was still pressure for us to do the food bridges. Food bridges, no. But we thought that we should provide safety mechanisms on the road while we come back to the bridges. The people did not take that kindly. Sorgo any Ashimo. So I don't understand why for 2 years now monies have not been voted for the completion. Because if, for instance, first year, no, because this was a continuing program, and the Ghana Highway Authority would have told the minister, it would have been part of my handover nose.
Yeah, but you made a point. You made a point earlier, say. With that road, na dia mutua sikano in advance. Mutua say oria enti maybe a buying to take it over no. There were some payment and there was some Muyama contract and some of our share even the food bridges. No.
Oh yeah, there were payments. But unim
how much
payments are made? The contractor and say, okay, now we have made this payment. Go and complete 2 bridges. We don't want you to go and be dissipating resources. No, all the 6 bridges. Just do 2. And we want you to finish the 2. Okay? And next payment, go and finish the next 2. That's a strategy of completion. Okay? Just like a Pejua Sohom Road. Yeah, who's a contractor, no, yet dual carriage, you know. There was no progress on the road. So you see, look, road Rankasa initially, a single carriageway, two lane single carriageway. Until go and complete the Accra-bound carriageway. Because who dissipate resources now, and that is why we have the Accra-bound carriageway completed. So that difficulties the road users it will be abated, and then you can come back to the second carriageway. Yes, it will entail some cost, but that is what we did. It's a strategy.
Okay.
So, me see, Jai office 2 years. I expected that they will pay the contractor.
Do you know?
Oh,
okay.
You don't know. I did certificate no embalming hall or presenting the certificate to the Ministry of Roads and Highways. That is through the Ghana Highway Authority. Na Omuba checki certificate no. Assess work there no and verify and forward it to the Monitoring and Evaluation Office at the Ministry. The evaluation officer no will look at what the highways have done and say, oh, you're satisfied. Then he will mean it and recommend and send it to the chief director. The chief director will look at it and ensure that monitoring and evaluation, any highway authority for no, or my year, then he will mean it to me, and then I will so. On the presumption that there's regularity, I will minute it that it should be sent to the Ministry of Finance for payment.
You. Honorable my fancy. Your best science wedding Komobio. Why?
Okay.
We appreciate your time so much. Indeed, Alhaji Yunus Hussein, a former minister, roads and highways, under the SWAL NDC administration, I'm attending Cassiano AD and Como DWASO NSEM. So indeed, sorry, Captain Baba Betramo, so now you're in Pense Muno Abremo Adom FM. So indeed, my Huse Anthony Nupenua Betnase, Chairman Alote Enso. Ababa betina.
A bad boy power.
Sir, regional organizer.
You a big man. You know group be. Your club be a joining.
Tony, who constituency near then?
Katamanso.
Aha. Power Katamanso. Watch out. Watch out for Anthony Nupen. Or a big man rough.
Obey DMP.
Yeah, Kwabas is here. Montreal.